Yo, my bad if it's not in focus. I don't feel like adjusting it, but I'm on my way to the homie's house. Hopefully it's fun like last night. Yo, I know I'm not gonna remember to put the little video, but that shit was funny. Like, God, yo, that shit was funny as hell, bro. But yo, hopefully like some funny shit happened tonight. Yeah, but anyway, I'm on my way to the homie's house. Like I said, hopefully it's funny as hell like it did last night. I'm gonna try to get the homie riled up and shit. Hey. Cat.
What?
Shut the hell up.
I'm
starting.
Don't you start with that.
Hey, Silencio. I'm starting. That's right. I love you, man.
So leave your ass.
Oh, she hates me.
Yeah, she does.
Hey, what the fuck?
She hates you with a passion.
No, I do not.
We love you.
You need to clean this car out for Sunday.
I'll do it. This must. She put the locks on me.
Jim Shorter. Let me.
I don't like you. Damn.
Nice.
Damn. I don't know what to say about that.
Damn.
Hey.
Good evening. Just wanted to let you know.
I'm just gonna record you.
You record everything, so that's not good.
We're jaywalking. We care.
I mean, as long as they don't hit us.
They're gonna hit us.
I need the money.
You need the money.
What money?
Insurance money.
Oh. Me too.
This motherfucker.
My lips are on fire right now.
Hey, shut your face. Hey, what you looking at?
What if my car?
Latinos. What'd you say? I fucking hate you. Shut up. Hey, I see you.
I said it the wrong way, yo. I just said, can I just have corn instead of saying, can I have a crazy corn?
Hey, unlock the windows.
You should have said crazy corn.
I know.
But you didn't.
I know.
You want me to unlock the windows? Windows?
No. It's moving.
No.
Look it's a G8.
Nope. F you. No, it ain't.
What is that? Is that a fucking Kia or an Infiniti? Or an Infinity?
Something in her mouth, okay?
I already got that on the video. Ah! Look, man. I'm recording.
Stop. Cállate.
That's not nice. Roll the windows.
No. She's having problems over here, okay?
I'll bang on the
She
window.
needs room to breathe while I'm sticking that in her mouth, okay?
Cállate, puta, cállate.
Did you just call me?
Hey,
What?
Silencio yourself.
No, I'm not doing that.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna keep talking. I'm gonna keep saying what I gotta say.
Quiet. Oh, look, it's a hatch.
It's a Subaru.
It's wonderful.
No, it ain't. It's a stock Subaru.
That's a wonderful car right there.
Where?
The red one.
The Honda?
Yep.
I want
Can
his
they see in
wheels.
here?
That's what I want. I want his wheels. No, well, kind of. It's not dark enough. My tint's like 20%.
Oh, what the fuck are they doing? Free Slurpees.
No, that's minutas.
I want some minutas.
It's basically carved ice with like syrup on top of it.
Let's go get some.
Yeah, it's like an icy.
Yeah, that.
Do y'all get y'all free Slurpee on 7-Eleven?
Nope.
No. I was going to, but I forgot.
Me too.
Oh, look at that nice piece of booty.
Not even that nice.
I don't care.
It didn't even look that nice. It didn't have the right radius of it, you know?
I was just looking at
You have to have the right angle with that shit. You can't just have a booty, you know, and just think you got it all. No, it has to be the right. It has to be the right form and shape, like mine.
Whose car is that?
Mine's my.
What the fuck? This is recording.
I don't care. I don't give a fuck, but don't put that shit on Instagram
It's on YouTube.
or YouTube.
What the fuck is she doing?
Just because you drive on the road every day doesn't mean you know
Something's
where they
happening. I'm recording it. Oh, she just flagged the guy.
live. Who?
That lady.
Flipped off? Or
That's probably her son.
No, I'm just.
Oh, never mind.
that is not the sun. That's how.
Cállate.
The fucking cougar! fucking cougar.
No, for real, she's she looked like she and like she love each other, I guess.
Look at this old
She just
school.
loves herself some.
Sugar mama.
She loves some black young and he must love some old white.
I'm recording this.
Hey, I'm just saying.
Oh, is that a fucking? Oh, that's a Charger with big 22s.
Yeah, it ain't no Mopar. That ain't no Mopar, okay? That was just a V6 Charger. Looking shitty.
That's not nice.
I don't care.
I cannot handle.
Hey, you want to go see the Thoughts?
I can handle spicy food.
I can't.
Huh?
You can't? I thought you could.
I'm not Mexican. I'm Salvadorian.
I thought. Oh wait.
God.
Salvadorians can't handle spicy food.
Unlock it.
Some can.
Oh.
I just can't.
You see that Hair Academy? That's where the Thoughts hang out at.
Where?
In case you want to know, that Hair Academy.
Star Beauty Supply.
Oh, that's where the Thoughts hang out.
Yep, right in front of it.
Cool. Thanks for letting me know.
Oh, look, it's this
Now I know
fucking
where to go.
Vince,
Eclipse.
why did I catch you out here?
And these are the prostitutes over there.
Oh, nice. Thanks for
Vince,
letting me
I
know.
better not catch you out here.
What the fuck?
I'll lose $75 just to say what I gotta say.
Don't fucking do it.
Really?
Okay.
What are you about to say?
Don't do it.
There she goes again, shoving shit in her mouth.
What the fuck?
Then she can. Oh, she's doing like a pro too. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I don't want
Oh,
this
look,
corn
it's
no more.
fucking Metro people.
You say you don't want the corn, but you're gonna continue to shove it in there.
That's what she said. Oh, it's the bikes.
No, you're not. Don't do it. Don't finish it. You still got a lot to go.
Yeah.
I'm good now.
You got a lot of corn. You got a lot of corn left to eat.
Why
No,
are
you're not.
You just killed my corn experience
why
right
you
now.
driving
No, I
like
didn't.
I don't want it no more.
That's what they all say, and then they decide to keep going. You know you like that corn.
It's a fucking Bentley.
You can get over it.
It's okay, I can open it.
It's a fucking Bentley. It's a fucking Bentley.
No, just stop.
Can I open it?
Fucking dickhead. Dick monkey. What is she? What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Well, this is good, yo. My sister was right. I tried it. It has like the big chunks in it though.
Really, nigga?
Hey,
What?
shut the fuck up.
She said, "Fuck me." So I said, "Ew." No.
Oh Lord Jesus, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing
This,
this?
my white legs. His car damaged mine. No. What is that?
It's cheese. It's tortilla basically with cheese in the middle.
Okay, babe.
That's Bay.
Or do you want to try a piece of
I
it
gotta.
first?
Huh?
Do you want to try a piece of it first?
Wait, what kind of cheese is it?
Mozzarella.
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 Fuck yeah.
Here you go. It's hot.
Oh wait. Is it hot?
Yes.
Oh. Ooh.
I just said it's hot.
She just told you it was hot.
Why?
Oh god. I am disgusted. I am disgusted.
I need to be me.
She's gonna crack.
No, I'm not.
Keep believing that.
This shit is beyond hot.
I'm gonna watch Gabriel Iglesias now.
Because it's fresh off the stove.
Yeah, fresh. Literally.
My first poo-poo sauce.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I know we've seen this like many times. It doesn't get old though.
What? Look. Look. This motherfucker's going to sleep. Look at her. She's. Wait, my focus is. Oh, there you go.
Better than trying to fall asleep while standing up, TR.
Hey, don't mess with us.
Whatever.
My ribs hurt. Oh, don't record me. I'll record you. Oh. I'm stuck with this one.
I wasn't even recording. What the fuck?
I'll send you it. Hey, look at me. Hey, yo. I'm not sure. Sorry if it's blurry. I don't feel like fixing it. But I don't know how much it's going to make it into the vlog. I'm not sure how long is the vlog. I'm not sure if it's short or not. But if it is, my bad. But I'm about to take my ass from the house. But, peace. Tomorrow's the Earth Froyo. They got a packed weekend with Ambitious Whip. It's Froyo Meet Friday, and then a cruise Saturday. And then they're doing like a photo shoot, so.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.